Standard 4, Unit 4, The Elf Singing. An elf sat on a twig. He was not very big. He sang a little song. He did not think it wrong. But he was on a wizard's ground who hated all sweet sounds. See, elf is an imaginary creature with magical powers. And what is a twig, children? It is a small thin stem of wood that grows from a branch on a tree. He sang a little song. The wizard he was saying a song. And he was saying the song, but he was thinking that it was not a wrong. But he went on the wizard's ground. See, wizard also is a man who is having magical power. And who hated. Hated means he does not like all the sweet sound. Elf, elf, take care of yourself. He is coming behind you to seize you and bind you and stifle your song. Elf, elf, take care means he is taking care of himself. Then who? That elf. He is coming behind who? Who is coming? To seize you and bind you. Seize meaning was to take hold of somebody or something. Stiff and bind you. Bind means what? To tie up tightly and stifle your song. See, stifle means what? To stop something from happening. The wizard, he changes his shape. See, this wizard means a magical creature. What is doing? He is changing his shape in crawling along. Means he is crawling, doing like this, crawling. An ugly old ape, a poisonous lizard. Lizard, in the house we can see a lizard. A spotted spider, a wormy glider. See, spotted spider means what? Spider is, see, you can see the picture in the textbook. See, black color spider. He has got some net. And the net is the home of a spider. A wormy glider. Glider is also means what? It is a type of a insect only. म्हणजे जंत मराठीमध्ये काय बोलतात? जंत. The wizard, he is up on the bow. He will bite through your gizzard. He is close to you now. Now see this wizard, he is up on the bow. Bow means what? The main part of a main branch on a tree is a bow. And gizzard means what? A part of bird's stomach is called gizzard. He is close to you now. He sees, he was very close to him. The elf went on with his song. It grew more clear and strong. The elf, he was singing a song. And it was singing very clearly. And the elf, he was very strong. See, you can see in the picture how he is going. It lifted him into air. See how it lifted him into the air. He floated, singing away. He was floating, singing away. With rainbows in his hair. While the wizard, see, he was having some rainbows in his hair. You can see in the picture. While the wizard worm from his creep made a sudden leap, fell down into a hole, and here his magic word he could say was eaten up by a mole. Now see, the wizard what he was creeping, and he made a sudden leap, means he was going. Fell down into a hole. One hole was there. There he fell down. Who? And here his magic word he could say was eaten up by a mole. Written by William Allingham. He fell down into a hole. And here means what? Before. And mole means what, children? A small dark furry animal is called mole. You can see here down it is black color. Furry, it is having some fur. And here is before magic, what he was eaten up by a mole. Thank you.